Hey there, college students and young professionals. Today, I want to introduce you to something extraordinary.
This game-changing product offers 5 key benefits that will revolutionize your performance. Increased focus. Stay on track and beat distractions with the Limitless Performance Stack.
Enhanced energy. Say goodbye to fatigue and hello to relentless motivation. Benefit 3. Improved memory. Unlock your potential for better retention and recall.
Increased productivity. Accomplish more in less time with heightened efficiency. And finally, sharpened mental clarity. Stand out from the crowd with laser-focused thinking.
Are you ready to unleash your limitless potential? Elevate yourself with the Limitless Performance Stack and ignite your inner champion. For more info, get back to the person who shared this with you and receive a free ambrosia valued at $50 once you register.